Okay, time for an update on our renovation here. Just to remind you, this was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, ranch-style home on a basement when we bought it. But we need more space. The lot is perfect. The lot is beautiful. Location, everything is great. Just need some more space. So we are popping the top, meaning we're adding a second floor and making a 2-story kitchen. Eventually we're going to put a pool in. So it's a big project. But it's moving right along. The Luxury Living International team is managing it, helping clients out. Here is a quick look at where we are now. Okay, so there you have it. Looks like they are making fantastic progress on this project. Lots of construction materials here, but we've got the vision, and it's going to be a great property once everything is done. So the Luxury Living International team, we're helping to manage this whole thing, and we can do the same thing for you. Please reach out to us. You can call our offices at 855-404-SOLD. Or, of course, you can hit us up on social media or email us at contracts@luxurylivingintl.com. I'm Erika Page. Talk soon.